Hello class 7th, this is geography video. Children, we have already completed the first term syllabus. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to tell you that what all things you are going to prepare for your first term, right? Now, we have already done new terms and definitions. So, from each chapter, you have to learn new terms and definitions. Back exercises are important. Project activity is important, where just come to page number 25, children. This is page number 25. On page number 25, first one, you have diagrams to show structure and composition of atmosphere. This is already I had mentioned in my previous video. This is important. Diagrams to show structure and composition of atmosphere. Then learn the causes and consequences of global warming. You can get notes on it, right? And then learn page number 15, the greenhouse effect, how it is caused, what is greenhouse effect and how it is caused, right? So you have to check page number 15 and then learn this for the notes. Clear? Now children, diagrams related to the atmosphere chapter has diagrams, and even the first chapter, you just cross check whichever chapter has diagrams, just go through it. I have already told you what all to draw. Practice it with proper labels. Then conventional symbols are equally important. Clear? Then political and physical map of Europe. So this you have to, I'll just clarify over here. First of all, political maps, you have to take a separate map for the states, the countries, etc. Please revise it separately. Okay. Physical map also, all the physical features like mountains, rivers, seas, oceans have to be marked on this map. Right. Then detailed study of all the chapters. Just read the chapter. Okay. And then try to understand the chapter. From any chapter or anything in between, you may be asked some questions. Next, children, this is Europe political and physical map. In this map, you have to mark Balkan states. So refer to the pages. Okay, there it's already mentioned what all the names of the Balkan states. So just on one map, first of all, take one map and then mark these places and check where they are placed. Similarly, Baltic states, lowland countries, Scandinavian countries, separately please learn these. Okay, you have enough time for it. Okay, then Nordic countries also, just see what all, just go through the definitions and then mark it. Then rivers, lakes, seas, oceans are equally important. First of all, oceans can be easily marked. Okay, and the important seas and the rivers. Then highest mountains, mountain peak, the mountains of the Europe have to be marked. Then largest and smallest country, longest and longest river, largest freshwater lake from the Europe facts. Just mark it in your map. You should know the highest peak, you should know the lowest point on Europe map. Then all these pages 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 98 have the map, and just refer to these pages. And this I've already mentioned, I've told you earlier, diagrams are important, and these causes and consequences of global warming and greenhouse effect. So in detail, so all these points have to be learned properly. Okay, children, in this video this is a test paper for you, and you're going to, this is with the same video continued, this test paper related to chapter 1 to 7, right? So it's just according to 80 marks. I have just set this paper for you. After you revise the chapters, you're going to complete this, right? Then on an outline map of Europe, mark the following: highest peak, longest river in Poland, Faroe Islands, River Volga, Central Massif. Children, keep in your mind, one word answers are equally important. So wherever the crossword is given, the one word answers are given, there you'll find some of these answers. So you're going to solve it and then mark it, right? Take it as a test paper, and this should be done in your fair copy, right? Then structure of atmosphere. Marks distribution are also given. Just note it down. Note this question paper. Then question number 3 is write true or false. Danube originates in Black Forest Mountains. Second is meteors from space burn up in exosphere. Then question number 4 is fill in the blanks. Dash the boundaries between the layers of atmosphere. I hope you have learned by now. As you learn, as you write the work on a particular day, the very next day or the very day, you have to complete the learning part also. Next is arrangement of natural and artificial physical features is what? Okay, that is fill in the blanks. Then match the column is here. The 4 match columns are given to you. Please solve it along with the mark distribution and just assess yourself at how much you can fare, right? Then this should be done very, very sincerely. You should not open your book when after you prepare the chapter only you please solve this revision, do this revision test. Next is choose the correct answers. A site for disposal of waste materials. The options are given to you. You have to choose any one. Contour lines join places of equal. Equal what? Elevation, distance, area, temperature. Just go through it, okay, and just opt for one answer. Next, children, it's part 3 where you have definitions. The 3 definitions are given: abseil, confluence, and twine string, right? The marks distribution are mentioned here. So you just have to learn and write these answers. Given word answer, 3 questions are given. Surrounded by mountains or mountain ranges. What is it called? Envelope of gases surrounding earth. What is it? A scale that uses words to describe ratio. What is it? Right? Then part 4 has question answers now. First of all, short answer questions. There are 5 questions given over here. Why do mesosphere burn up in atmosphere? Why is Netherlands known as a lowland country? What is a linear scale map? Name 4 physical units. This is units. Units present in Europe. Which 2 gases make the bulk of the atmosphere? Then children, long answer questions. List the causes that contribute to the greenhouse effect. Distinguish between the North European plain and the Alpine mountain system. Children, this I have already given you the answer, but when you write the answer, read the paragraph and try to pick out the points to make the points for the 2 top points, this topics, North European plain and Alpine mountain system. Right? First you read the paragraph where these topics are given and then pick out the points on your own. You can write the answers on your own. Children, after this, after completing this revision test only, we are going to begin with the second term syllabus. The next video will be doing second term syllabus.